Imagine you can generate AI videos directly from the Telegram app on your phone. No computer needed, no subscription required, totally free. And even generate AI images for free. You can find the link in this video description. Click the Start Bot button. You will be redirected to the Zero AI Telegram bot. Click the Start button to start and show Zero AI basic commands. Text to video generator. To generate an AI video, simply type /0, followed by the prompt or video description you want to generate. Press the Enter or Send button to start generating your AI video. If you are not satisfied with the result, click Regenerate to generate a new AI video using the same prompt. If you like the result, click the Option button and choose the Save to Gallery or Downloads option. Here is the result video. Now let's try to create an AI video with a portrait video format. Type /0 and continue with your prompt and add portrait. Here is the result video. Image to video generator. Not only can you generate videos from text prompts, but Zero AI is also capable of creating videos from a static image. Click the Attach button and select your source image or photo. In the prompt bar, type /img2vid. You can also add a video description if needed. Here is the video result from this part. Text to image. Now let's try Zero AI's text to image feature. To do that, simply type /nim, followed by the image description you want to generate. Here is the image result from this part. Thank you for watching this AI video generator.